This is generally related. So this kind of thing. So during fun time what you do? During fun time what you do? Fun time what you do? During fun time what you do? What? Watching TV. Watching TV. Watching television. Okay. Next, this kind of is during part what you do? Which games? So there are so many games. There are indoor games and outdoor games. There are so many games. Carom. Yeah, carom. Carom. Good. Yes. During part what you do? Listening and music. Listening music. Listening to music. So, listening to music. So, our last question is related to the lesson. Do you love Robo as a teacher? Robo as a teacher. Robo as a teacher. Come on. Robo as a teacher. I can't hear you. Please say it loud.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why you love Robo as a teacher?
It's very funny.
It's funny. In Robo movie, it has some disadvantages and advantages also in Robo. So, because of the advantage, what is advantage? We are using what we are using ChatGPT. In olden days, what we used to go to library and refer the textbook. Now, what we are doing? We are simply sitting in the artificial ChatGPT is now as artificial intelligence. ChatGPT. Gemini. These are the apps which are used in the education purpose. So, education purpose we are using. So, because of the robot, so many jobs are laid off. See, when you see in the engineering sector, right? Engineering sector, what is happening? So many TCS companies are lay off the person. So, this is the disadvantage. I would like to show the diagram which is related to the fun they had. See in this picture. These are the advantages. One is virtual learning. Second one is learning through computer. In olden days, we used to go to schools and we have one period, TV period we have. But now, everybody has mobiles. Learning through computer. So, Robo as a teacher. Next, moving e-text. E-text is nothing but ChatGPT, Gemini. That all comes under e-text, electronic text. And the topic is about, it is a short story which is written by Asimov. He is the person, Asimov. I said Asimov. He is the person. Wrote a short story on the fun they had. It is a short story written by the fun they had. So he shows that, he tells us that how the children are facing the problem between the traditional education and the modern education. Modern education has impacted on our society. So in olden days, what we used to go outside and play. Right after we used to go in olden days, we used to go. Girls used to play Ashtakshama. The old memories are Girls used to play Ashtarsham in Telugu colleges, Ashtarsham and Tokupilla. But the boys used to play cricket and cricket, volleyball, and gambling like that. But now what is happening? Every child is sitting in front of system or phone and they're watching videos and they're spoiling their valuable children. So in older days we used to see what in older days first child what we used to do, we show the moon, right? We show the moon and eat the food. But now what is happening? In older days we used to show the moon and feed the child. But now what is happening?
Using mobiles.
Using
Mobile.
It is a technology or robot. Everybody has a technology and it is also robot. So I will read the paragraph. So I am reading the paragraph, the main characters, which is related to the. So in this story, sorry, the topic is the fun
They had.
they had. The fun they had. Yes, the fun they had. Right? Asimov. So I will read them. There are two characters in this story. One is what are the characters in the story? Margin, grandfather, and Margin's grandfather, and next one is Tommy.
Slow.
Margin characters are what characters we have? Margin's grandfather. Grandfather book is there no matter. He wrote the book. Tommy character. Margin and Tommy character.
There are some more characters.
G character also. G. These are the main characters. Tommy and Margin is the main character. These are the two main characters. The story starts with Tommy man. So what he says is the story starts with the Tommy. Like that is the answer.
Nada, సరిపోతుందా
Their brother and sisters. So
పంపుతాను ఏంటండి
Tommy and Margin. Margin is the lady character, madam. Tommy is the gender boy character. So the Tommy, what he said that Margin wrote a diary. He wrote a diary, madam. Who is Margin wrote a diary. Writes in her diary, madam. So what he said?
Who is at Margin or Tom?
Margin is the elder, madam. Tommy is the younger.
How old is Margin? How old is Tom?
Margin is 11 years old, madam. Tommy is 13 years old.
So who is elder and who is younger?
Tommy is young. Tommy is elder and Margin is yes, ma'am. Margin is 11 years old. Tommy is 13 years old. Tommy is elder than Margin. So he wrote a diary.
Another character, important character in the lesson. Who sets it?
Inspector.
Inspector. What kind of inspector?
11 years old. Tommy is 13 years old. Target is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. In the story, in the beginning of the story, Margaret writes a diary. Margaret writes a diary. And which year he wrote? 17th May. 17th May. 17th May. 17th May, he wrote a diary on 17th May 2157. So, she wrote a diary, not he. She wrote a diary. Margaret wrote a diary. Margaret is a girl. She wrote a diary on 17th May 2157. So, what he wrote today? In daily what he wrote is some India. We are the teachers. We are also majored some language, teaching the language. Like that, some are interested in writing, passionate in writing diaries, and their future they may become the writers also. What he wrote today, Tommy found a real book. What he said? It is on 17th May 2157. What he said today, Tommy found a real book. Real book. What he found? A real book. It's very important. While writing the essay, we have to quote like this. So the examiner or external will impress like this quotation. So it was very old book. How the book is there? How the book is there? It's very old. It's very old. How the book is there? It's very old. Means Margaret. So Margaret's grandfather was a little boy. So this book tells us about when the grandfather was a little boy. He told him that there wasn't any story. So in order to what we say, we in order to what now YouTube has came the story. But when we are small kids, our great grandfathers what they say, how they say while sleeping beside them, every day they say one stories. So if they say stories, will nicely stay. Now what is happening? All the stories are held in the YouTube and which is related to the technology. No one is asking, I want story. Please tell me the story. Please tell me the bedtime story. No one child is asking. Ma, give me the phone. Ma, give me the phone. I watch you and I sleep. Yellow and critical. What is the difference in critical? Critical means many folds. What is man? Four lines. Many four lines. Next. Awful. And awful to read words that is